Hey there, and welcome to the Ultimate AutoCAD to D tutorial. It will be a complete beginner to professional journey. By the end of this journey, you will become a master in AutoCAD. So, without any further delay, let's get started. After opening the software, you will find this screen called User Interface. This black area you are seeing is called the drawing area. And in this corner, what you are seeing is called Viewport Control. If you click here and click on this, you can take one or more viewports. For example, if we click on For Equal, we will get For Equal viewports. We will work on a single viewport, so let's reset it to a single viewport. This top left corner is called the Application button. If you click here, you will see some options like New, Open, Save, Save As, and so on. I'm assuming you are understanding the work of these options by their names. These are almost similar to other software that you generally use. And this line you are seeing is called Quick Access Toolbar. These are the same options that we saw just a moment ago. If you want to add or remove any options from this bar, click here and just mark or unmark the option that you want. Now, this is called the title bar. It shows you which version of AutoCAD you are using and shows you the name of the file you are working on. And just right to this area is called the Information Center. If you want to know about any topic, just type the name of the topic here and search for it. Now, here is the sign-in option. If you have an Autodesk account, you can sign in here. If there is any update, it will show here as a notification. Now, the row you are seeing is called a tab. Under the tab, this row is called a panel, and this whole thing is called ribbon. This draw, modify, layers, they are also panels. Now, if you want to add or remove any tab or panel, click on this empty space. Then click on Show Tabs or Show Panel and mark or unmark the option that you want. Now, this is called View Cube. It is mainly used for 3D drawing. Using this, we can see top, bottom, and elevations. This is called Navigation Bar. Here Zoom, Pan, and other options are available. We will discuss more about it in future. Now, this line at the bottom is called the Application Status Bar. The options here are very important. We will discuss it broadly in the future. This is called the Command Prompt Bar. It is likely the most important element of AutoCAD. Whatever we do, it will be shown here. We will elaborately discuss it in the future. Thank you for sticking with us. This will be it for today. See you in the next video.